The growing issue of bacterial resistance to antibiotics is one of the biggest threats to global health, food security, and development. Let's take a look at an example. This is Johnny. He mentions to you that his arm hurts and that he has self-prescribed himself antibiotics to feel better. But you must advise him not to because it is unknown whether or not his pain is caused by bacteria. Misuse and taking antibiotics when they are not the appropriate treatment promotes antibiotic resistance. But how exactly do bacteria become resistant to antibiotics?
The overarching goal of beta-lactam antibiotics is to kill bacteria through attacking the cross-linking of peptidoglycans. And in this process, the pentaglycine bridge interconnects these peptidoglycans, and a protein known as the penicillin-binding protein is required. In the active site of this protein, a serum residue carries out the protein's function, while with an antibiotic, this serum residue will react with the antibiotic, rendering the protein useless, and then the cross-linking process will fail and the bacteria will die.
However, as time progresses, bacteria develop resistance to beta-lactam antibiotics due to a natural mutation that allows them to survive with the encounter. Thus, increased use of an antibiotic will eventually lead to reduced effectiveness over time. In this case, the natural mutation was the acquisition of an enzyme known as beta-lactamase. This enzyme cleaves the beta-lactam ring in antibiotics like penicillin, which renders the antibiotic useless. Thus, the cross-linking process continues and the bacteria survives.
Approximately 2 million deaths from antibiotic-resistant bacteria occur in the United States each year, resulting in 23,000 deaths. We can all effectively combat antibiotic resistance through the proper use of antibiotics and spreading this knowledge to everyone around us. And as for our friend Johnny, he realized that he just needed to stretch his arm to make it feel better. He is happy that he learned a valuable lesson today and is grateful that he was urged against misusing antibiotics.